Polar bears are iconic symbols of the Arctic. They are the world's largest land predator, perfectly adapted to survive in a harsh, icy environment. Their powerful presence and unique features have captivated the imagination of people for centuries. From their snowy white coats to their massive paws, every aspect of their being speaks to their mastery of the frozen wilderness. They are solitary creatures roaming vast distances across the ice in search of food. Their story is one of resilience, of thriving in a world where few others can. Yet the tale of the polar bear is also one of increasing uncertainty. As the Arctic ice melts at an alarming rate, the very survival of these magnificent creatures hangs in the balance. Polar bears are perfectly designed for their frigid home. Their thick, white fur provides excellent insulation against the Arctic chill. 2 layers of fur, a dense undercoat and longer guard hairs, trap heat close to their body. Underneath their fur, a thick layer of blubber further protects them from the cold. This blubber also serves as an important energy reserve during lean times. Their large paws act as natural snowshoes, distributing their weight and allowing them to move easily across snow and ice. Sharp, non-retractable claws provide traction on the slippery surface and make them formidable hunters. Even their small ears and tail minimize heat loss, showcasing the incredible adaptations that allow them to thrive in such extreme conditions. Polar bears are found in the Arctic regions of the world, including countries like Canada, Russia, Greenland, Norway, and the United States, specifically Alaska. They are dependent on sea ice, which forms over ocean waters during the colder months. This sea ice serves as their primary hunting ground, providing a platform from which to hunt their main prey, seals. They roam vast distances across this frozen landscape, often covering hundreds of miles in search of food. However, rising global temperatures are causing sea ice to melt at an alarming rate, shrinking their hunting grounds and threatening their survival. Section 4. Hunters of the Frozen Sea. Polar bears are apex predators, and their diet consists primarily of seals. They are incredibly patient hunters, often waiting for hours near breathing holes in the ice. When a seal surfaces for air, the polar bear uses its lightning-fast reflexes to capture its prey. Their powerful sense of smell helps them locate seals even from a distance. They are also opportunistic feeders and will scavenge on carcasses or hunt other Arctic animals such as walruses when the opportunity arises. Their hunting methods are a testament to their intelligence and adaptation to their challenging environment. Section 5. A life on the ice. Female polar bears typically give birth to 1 to 3 cubs in snow dens. These dens provide shelter and insulation for the cubs during their first few months of life. Cubs stay with their mothers for around 2 years, learning essential survival skills. During this time, the mother teaches her cubs how to hunt. The mother teaches her cubs how to swim. The mother teaches her cubs how to navigate the icy terrain. The bond between mother and cub is incredibly strong, and the mother is fiercely protective of her young. Once the cubs are old enough to fend for themselves, they will venture out on their own, starting their own solitary journeys across the Arctic. Section 6. The future of the king. Polar bears face an uncertain future. Climate change poses the greatest threat to their survival. As sea ice melts, their hunting grounds shrink, making it increasingly difficult for them to find food. This leads to malnutrition, starvation, and a decline in population numbers. Pollution, oil and gas development, and human-wildlife conflict also pose significant risks to polar bear populations. Protecting their habitat, mitigating climate change, and promoting responsible Arctic development are crucial steps in ensuring the survival of these magnificent creatures. The fate of the polar bear serves as a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet and the urgent need for conservation efforts.